Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh man, good. Can I come in?
Yeah, good.
How you doing, Jacob?
Good.
What's your name and what's in here, man?
Drew, I have a 2001 Blazer Extreme with 4 Sundown X15s and a
Okay.
4-throttle wall.
Okay.
I'm running a Autotech 370 amp hour alternator in the front, 245 banks of C-Max, and a base 15K tier amps.
All right. Nice.
I think it's tuned to 46.
Yes, sir.
And it's that plays down to 18 hertz up to 40, up to 50.
Wow, awesome. Nice job. I like your doors too.
Thank you.
You can actually hear the music with the bass.
Yeah, I'm missing all 4 tweeters right now, so it's just a 6.5.
Just the 6.5 pushing now. All right. I was just getting some outside flex. Your door is getting tore up, man.
The doors, the sunroof, everything.
Everything. Have you decided to do any roof flex yet or bracing yet?
I'm gonna take this out. I gotta take the sunroof out, weld it,
Okay.
and shut, and then I'm gonna do my wood roof, my racing,
Okay.
and hopefully I'll gain a little bit on the meter.
Who built this?
Jay Dixon, highs and lows in Columbus. He built the wall. It's a slide-in 4th order, so it's not fully built to the car yet.
Yes, sir. All right.
MasterCard may have spun.
What size alternator? I don't know if you said that.
Autotech 370.
A 370. Okay. Just want to make sure. Awesome. Yeah, man. Love to hear it.
Light up and turn up the volume.
GoPro,
Yeah,
and
GoPro.
it still give you a little punch on your chest. So.
Yeah, I think it's tuned to 46.
Yes, sir.
And it's that plays down to 18 hertz up to,
Yes,
40,
sir.
up to 50.
Wow, awesome. Good job, man. I appreciate the
Thank
demo.
you. Thank
What was
you.
your name?
My
Again?
name is Drew.
Awesome. Appreciate it, Drew. Thanks for the demo, man.